In this video, I want to show you how to clip specific portion of digital elevation model or any other raster in Global Mapper. So let's get started. In Global Mapper, to carry out this operation, let me bring in the raster and a vector I will use to demonstrate it. I'll click on Open Data File. I will navigate to my folder and I want to use this mosaic digital elevation model, and I'll bring in also the shapefile of my study area. Then I will click on Open. Yes, here is the digital elevation model and here is the boundary of my study area. To appreciate it better, let me style my study area. So to do that, I'll come to the layer of my study area, right click and click on Options. Then I'll click on Area Style. Then I will click on Use Same Style for all features. When I click on that, it will open this page. Then here the width, instead of 1, let me put 3. I'll click on OK and click on Apply. So you are able to see the boundary of my study area clearly now. Now if I want to clip this portion of the raster, so to do that, actually there is no dedicated tool like other GIS software like ArcGIS or QGIS, but there is a way of doing it in Global Mapper. So to do it, come to this very tool called Digitizer tool, click on it, click OK, then click on this area you want to clip. That is, when you click on it, it will select your boundary just like this. Now to clip this very portion of the raster, come to your raster, right click and come to layer, then click on export layer to new file. When you do that, it will ask you to select your raster. Make sure you check the raster you want to clip, then click on OK. Then it will bring this option to select the export format. Select GeoTIFF and click on OK, then click OK. It will bring this GeoTIFF export option. Come to export bound. Here select crop to selected area features, click on it. When you do that, click on OK. So it will prompt up that you should select the very folder where you want to save your work. So let's assume I want to save it here, so I will call it DEM clip for example. Then I will click on save. When I do that, in few seconds it will be clipped. Yes, the clipping is done. So I can, for example, uncheck this and this. Then I have to bring in the result. So to do that, come to File, click on Open Data, then navigate to that folder and here is it, DEM clip. Select it and click on Open. When you do that, you can see the one we clip, and here is our original data, the bigger data, and here is the one we clipped. So you can see that it's much straightforward or easy to clip any portion of raster in Global Mapper. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.